What if I told you there's a way to create high-quality content in less time than you ever thought possible? Today, I'm going to show you the best AI tools for content creation that will change the game for you. Hi, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, the high-performance hosting platform your WordPress site deserves. I know that content creation can be time-consuming, but with AI, we're talking about working smarter, not harder. Whether you're writing blogs, creating videos, or designing visuals, these tools will help you speed up the process without compromising on quality. Let's dive into the 10 best AI tools you need to know about for 2024. AI can do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. It saves time, cuts costs, and boosts creativity. Imagine never worrying about writer's block again or spending hours designing a graphic. AI makes content creation faster, cheaper, and even more fun. Now, all these amazing AI tools need a solid platform to run smoothly. And that's where Rapyd Cloud comes in. Whether you're managing a content-heavy blog, running AI-powered apps, or hosting high-traffic websites, Rapyd Cloud offers fast, reliable, and scalable hosting solutions. With our cloud infrastructure, you can ensure your content loads quickly and performs well no matter where your audience is. Plus, our services are designed to grow with your needs, just like these AI tools we're about to explore. Let's dive right in. First up, we have Jasper AI. Jasper is your go-to for all types of content writing, from blog posts and social media updates to email campaigns and more. It uses GPT-4 technology, which means the content it generates is natural sounding and SEO friendly. It's great if you want to maintain a consistent brand voice across different platforms without spending hours writing. Jasper is also highly customizable, so it fits whether you're a small business or part of a large team. And with pricing starting at $39 per month, it's accessible to most content creators. Next is Grammarly. This tool is an absolute must if you want your writing to be clean and professional. It checks for grammar and spelling, but also goes deeper, suggesting improvements for style, tone, and clarity. It even detects plagiarism, making sure your content is original. Whether you're drafting emails, writing blog posts, or managing social media, Grammarly helps keep everything polished. The free version covers the basics, and for $12 a month, you can unlock even more powerful features. If you often need to produce SEO-friendly copy, then Writesonic is the tool for you. Writesonic helps generate everything from product descriptions to entire blog posts, and it's built with SEO in mind, so your content is more likely to rank higher on search engines. It also integrates with other tools to make your workflow seamless. Starting at $19 per month, Writesonic is ideal for marketers and writers who need to pump out high-quality content quickly. Let's talk visuals with Midjourney. This AI image generator creates stunning, high-resolution images based on text descriptions. You don't need to be a designer, just type what you need and Midjourney will produce a range of visuals to choose from. It's a great tool for anyone creating social media posts, blog graphics, or even presentations. Pricing starts at just $10 per month, making it super affordable for content creators who need eye-catching images. Another visual tool is DALL-E 2 by OpenAI. This AI takes your text prompts and turns them into incredibly realistic images or art. It's perfect if you need custom visuals for your blog, website, or even a marketing campaign. You just describe what you want and DALL-E delivers. It works on a credit system, so you pay as you go, which is convenient if you only need a few images here and there. Of course, we can't forget ChatGPT. This AI is a content creator's dream for ideation and drafting. Whether you need to come up with blog topics, write outlines, or even generate full articles, ChatGPT can do it all. It's super versatile, and with the ChatGPT 4 version, the quality is incredibly high. Plus, it's free to use, with premium options starting at $20 per month if you want access to more advanced features. For managing entire content workflows, Narrato is a great all-in-one solution. It helps with everything from content planning and ideation to SEO optimization and team collaboration. If you're managing multiple projects or working with a team, Narrato can streamline your process and make sure everyone's on the same page. Pricing starts at $45 per month, and it's worth if you need to manage more complex content projects. If presentations are a big part of your content strategy, then you'll love Beautiful.AI. It uses AI to help you create professional-looking slides in minutes. You just plug in your content and it automatically designs everything for you, adjusting layouts and colors so you don't have to. It's perfect for marketers and business owners who need to pitch ideas or create training materials. The basic plan is just $12 a month. Last but not least, there's Synthesia. If you need to create video content, Synthesia is a game changer. It turns text into professional videos using AI avatars, which means you don't need a camera, a crew, or even actors. Just type your script and the AI takes care of the rest. This is ideal for explainer videos, product demos, or even training courses. Plans start at $30 per month, and it's a great way to scale your video content. And that's a wrap. These are the best AI tools for content creation in 2024. Whether you need help with writing, designing, or even video production, there's an AI tool out there to make your life easier. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.